Good morning, my loving students. I'm your EVS teacher, and today we are going to discuss about an important topic of my body. But before we start, I really want to say thanks to all the parents who are watching this video for your support and coordination. Once again, thank you. Now, my dear students, before we start today's topic, let me quickly recapitulate what we have done last week. That's my body. We know that our body is made up of number of organs or parts. That organs or body parts are divided into main two groups. That's external organs, internal organs. External organs, the parts of the body that we can see or touch. For example, eyes, nose, head, arms, hand, feet, etc. Can you touch eyes? Yes. Can you see nose? Yes. Now at the same time, there are some organs that we cannot see, we cannot touch. For example, heart, lungs, brain, stomach. Okay, now can you touch our heart? No. Can you see it? No. Why? Why? Because these organs are inside our body. Now, my dear students, we know that external organs like eyes, nose, head, arms, hand, like they are very, very important for us. They do number of functions. Like eyes helps us to see, nose helps us to smell, ears helps us to hear, hands helps us to hold the things. It also helps us for writing. Legs helps us to walk. But at the same time, internal organs are also very, very important for us. They play a very important role in the body. So, my dear students, today we are going to know about the different types of the internal organs. Now, before we start, let me ask you a very simple question. Are you ready for that? Yes, that's really great. So, can you name the name organ, internal organ, that helps us to think, recall, remember? Yes, perfect. It's our brain. So, my dear students, today we are going to know more about the brain, where it is located and what functions it is having. Now, see, brain is located inside the head and it helps us to think. And the most important function of the brain is that it controls the functions of all the other organs of the body. So what is the main function of the brain? That is, it helps us to think and it controls the functions of all the other organs of the body. Do you want to know more about the brain? Yes. So I got something interesting for you. See, what is it? We are having the picture of brain. Wonderful. See, this is our brain. Our brain is divided into three parts. The biggest part of the brain is cerebrum. The little brain, that is also called as the cerebellum. And the third part, that is medulla. Medulla is also called as the brainstem. Now, what are the functions of this cerebrum? That is the biggest part of the brain. It controls our senses, sense of touch, feel, smell, thinking, imagination, taste. Now see, touch. You are touching any hot object. You are touching any cold object. Who tells you it is hot? Who tells you it is cold? It's your brain. That is the part of the brain that is cerebrum. During examination, while giving exam, while writing the answers, you think, you recall. So which part of the brain helps you? That is cerebrum. Wonderful. Now the next part of the brain, that is cerebellum. Cerebrum controls our emotions. That is sad, when we are sad, happy, crying, laugh. It is all controlled by the cerebellum or the little brain. And it also controls balance of our body while walking, cycling, driving, dancing, playing. And most important, it helps you to learn new things. And medulla, that's also called as the brainstem. It helps in heart beating, breathing, digestion. That means it runs or functions our body from inside. Is it clear to you? Yes, I know. You are wonderful kids. Okay, my dear students, now I have a small task for you. See, here, these are the questions. What you had to do, you had to write these questions in the rough notebook. And then you had to answer it. First question, it is, where is the brain located? I have already told you, you know the answer. The brain is located inside the head. What are the main functions of the brain? Here it is given. Read it once again, read it properly, then write answers. Okay, bacha. We'll see you tomorrow again at the same time. Till then, you have to stay home, stay safe, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.